Good morning, everybody. Give me 1 second. Give me a second here. Hold on. I had this working and now it's not, but just bear with me. And I was actually short this through puts, and then I bought calls against it. Well, that's not true. I bought stock against it to hedge the 25s because I paid like 40 cents, or what did I pay for those puts? 50 cents. So average cost. So then I guess there's something going on in the call. I couldn't listen to the call this morning because I was getting ready. But I'll buy when I'm up like that, I'll buy stock against the puts. And what it does is it gives me the opportunity, let's see if I can get this to working, to just like hedge the risk. But I left them on. I left the stock on, and then all of a sudden this thing's like popping. There's a huge short position, so maybe it gets squeezed even more. Something's going on in the call. The call's going on now, so we'll see how this goes. Just give me a second because I want to get this working, and I think we're good. I think we are. Hold on, let's see. It should be good, right? Let's see here. But something like this, I mean, it can go. If you have everyone short, they'll just squeeze it. Eventually, it'll roll over again, but we'll see. Let me just click on this, and yeah, we're good. We should be good with them. You should be able to see me. Should be able to bond here. Hold on, let's see if we can get this going. Is that going to work? That should. Yay. Okay. Oh, hold on. There it is. Yep. Still, hold on. There it is. Yay. Bonding. Still weird. Now it's another weird angle, but whatever. So I'm not on the call, so I don't know. I don't know what's going on with it. But obviously they said something that got a bunch of people to cover. So probably worth watching today. This space is an absolute disaster, but if you could get back up to I'll show you where my head is with it, but if you could get back up to here, like somewhere in here, like 30 again, I'd probably short the living heck out of it, but you might be able to get back up to there. We should probably look at this and find some levels because it looks to me like it's going to do it the way this thing's trading. So that's really where I think you're going, 29, 29.60, 29.50 up in here. But the way that thing's setting up, see, once you flip this where they sold for earnings, it's gone. So you really just want to watch that 27.33 level, and then it should go. You could always roll over again. But, if everybody's short and they have options that expire today and they don't hedge them, it's going to be a pickle. So, because they're going to open, they're going to open like virtually worth nothing. That's a nice thing about buying options on companies that come out on a Friday with earnings. I don't know what's going on here. It doesn't look like it's really the right level, does it? So let's see if we can fix this. They said buy a tripod. They said it'll make everything better. They said, does it look better? I don't think so. Oh boy, that's a lot of me. It's definitely. Oh boy, there it goes. Hold on. Shouldn't be this hard. Oh, going down. Hold on. Not working. Hold on. Oh boy, that's a lot. Hold on. There it is. That it? That's going to go? Nope. You're going to. Why won't you hold? That's not really the best thing in the world, is it? Is that good? There we go. Are you going to stay there? Or are you going to fall over again? I think you're going to go down. Going down one more time. All right. I'm not really sure why you're doing that, but that's what we got. That's all we got. I guess I can do this with it. Hold on. Nope, that's not going to work. I don't know what to do. This is what we got right now. It's not working. So that's it. Maybe if I sit or something, maybe it's better. Or we're just not going to be bonding in a moment because I'm going to spend 15 minutes on this. I don't know if that's going to be better or not. It is what it is. This is what we got, guys. We're kind of bonding. All right. Let's start here. I just need a freaking boom. Get the tripod, they said. I swear to God, sometimes these people, I think they just tell me to buy stuff just to screw with me, to be honest with you. Let's see if we can get them to buy this. You're not really breaking down. If anything, you're just in this trading range. And for me, I think that trading range, give me 1 second here. I just want to make sure I got this set up right. Because I'm not going to be able to do this while we're talking. Yep, that'll do it. Okay. So you're just kind of in a trading range. I don't know really that you're going to have a tremendous amount of movement. I don't really know what's going to move you here, to be honest. I think you have no one really seems to care about the war. I'll leave it at that. First, nobody really seems to care about that stuff anymore. They're kind of over it, right? Like they're not caring about the wars. The tariffs are kind of over. No one's really talking about that anymore. So what do you really have to, what are you really dealing with right now? You're dealing with some stuff where, in my opinion, you're dealing with some stuff where you're getting answers. Like you're getting answers to Japan. You're getting answers to the UK. I'm not crazy about the answers you're getting, by the way. I think the answers that you're getting are troublesome longer term for inflation, but you're not seeing signs of it yet. So I think you have to play the hand that you're dealt, not the hand that you want. It's why I did get last night's video so informal, where I keep looking like for the shoe, and because I think there's one, and I think it's really for healthcare that's really the problem, frankly. But from our standpoint, you're not really doing anything. Like you're not. You're kind of bonking around in here, and you could actually argue that you have this level that's more of a level that's right in here. Oh, good. All right, so hold on 1 second. I'm getting filled on some of this stuff. That's why I want to put orders out there while I'm talking, so I can't watch it. But there's something going on there with this name, the CNC. You guys might want to watch this thing today. So do I want to sell more? No, I think I'm going to get the 29.5 today. I think I'm going to get there. Hold on 1 second, because they're going to squeeze these suckers, and they're going to panic because they're scared like little sheep. And I'm going to profit off their misery. Hold on 1 second. Hold on. There we go. All right. Let's see what they do here. All right. That was out loud, wasn't it? Inside voice. All right, let's go. So you have a little band right here. And I'd watch this band very, very closely. But, are you going to break out? I think you're going to rotate, actually, is where I think you're going with this. I think you're going to rotate. And I think that's what you have to focus on. What do you got for me, John? 8:30 ping. This afternoon, 6 p.m. Need to do that. Okay, cool. I don't know if that's the worst. Give me 1 second here, guys. So let's watch these levels, but I'd watch that. I got to go take a look at this. I got a ton of this. I got to go see what happened here. Yeah, they're squeezing the shorts. Give me 1 second, guys. I need to flip here. And if I don't, I gotta probably boogie on some. Let's watch it together. See the level, because this is when they came out with the news. So if there's still sellers on the earnings, so if I still have earnings sellers versus, because this is when the conference call started, if I still have earnings sellers, then I probably want to reduce my long. But if the people that shorted on the earnings are like, oh boy, I might have a problem, then I'm probably going to get to my 29.60 level. But if I fail at where the people started shorting from earnings, see they're still shorting in here. So are they increasing their short positions, or are they having their come to Jesus moment? And it looks like they're having their come to Jesus moment, right? So what we want to do with them is just watch them squirm and then take advantage of it. So let's just watch this for a second. Let's see if we can get this. See if we can get 29.61. That's the beauty about like buying puts and then buying stock against it. Once you understand this stuff, like the option, like people don't understand that the word option actually means optionality, but whatever. More for me. Do we like that? Do we want to sell into that? We want to see what happens with the bar. Do we want to use a $1 bar? Or are you going to drop me here to go get more stock? How much volume do you have? Oh, you got more volume. So you pushed through, came back down, and now you got more volume here. So people are having their little panic attacks, which is good. Good. All right. All right. Come on. How much do we have out there on the level? I got stock on the level. So I always put stock on the levels of mine so that I get positive slippage. But let me just watch this real quick because now I'm up like $5, 5.5. So just give me a sec. Come on, little guy. You can do it. I believe in you. Don't go back. Don't do it. Push. Push it. See how the volume's increasing? See it? See how the volume increasing? So I got a shot at it. Come on, little guy. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Sure be cool if you did. Oops. Give me 1 second, guys. 29 bid, 5,000 on the bid. See if that can hold.